matter is very serious emergency and time sensitive. We are calling you from investigation team of IRS. We have just received a notification regarding your tax filings from the headquarters, which will get expired in next 24 working hours. And once it get expired, after that you will be taken under custody by the local cops, as there are 4 serious allegations pressed on your name at this moment. We would request you to get back to us so that we can discuss about this case before taking any legal action against you. The number to reach us is 914-373-7168. I repeat, 914-373-7168. Thank you.
Crime and Investigation Department of the IRS. How may I help you?
Yes, my name is. I just received a phone call to contact this number that there was something going on with something.
Okay. When did you receive that message?
I'm sorry, sir?
When did you receive a call, sir?
5 minutes ago, possibly? Less than 5 minutes
ago.
ago?
Okay, sir. Can you provide me your mailing address and your zip code so that I can pull out your correct information and give it to you?
Yes,
Okay, sir. Just hold the line while I pull out your files.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you for holding the line. So as I can see in my system that there is a lawsuit filed under your name by the IRS. So are you aware of that?
No.
So can you tell me when was the last time you filed your taxes?
This year. I filed on March the 6th, and I file every year. I've always filed my taxes. I have been professionally filed by the HR block over the last 13 years.
Okay, sir. So right now, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna read it out your case for you. So listen to me carefully and do not interrupt me in between, because these lines are being recorded and monitored by the IRS. Am I clear to you?
Okay, yes, sir.
So, sir, the reason of this call is to inform you that we found some serious allegation on your tax filing. So what happened is that we have done a random audit on your tax filing for the years of 2011 to 2016. And we found some miscalculation on your tax filing. So miscalculation in the sense that you have paid the taxes on time, but not within an appropriate amount. So the taxes were not paid with correct amount for those years, for which there is a lawsuit filed against you by the IRS.
Okay.
So right now, our audit department has done an audit on your tax filing between the years of 2011 to 2016, and we found out your tax worth the amount of $3,786 is being unpaid. So that is the reason there is a legal issue against you with the 4 serious allegations on your name. Count 1, violation of federal tax regulation. Count 2, violation of Internal Revenue Code. Count 3, theft by deception. Count 4, willful misrepresentation of information to the government organization. So now at this point of time, we have decided to recollect this amount from you by involving the Internal Revenue Code 6331 against you. This means IRS will mark a lien on your assets, including your house, and all your non-bank account will be frozen and confiscated. So the moment we disconnect this call, your state ID, federal ID, driving license, passport, debit card, credit card, checkbook, and bank account will be suspended for next 5 years. So right now, your case is in the 3rd-degree delinquency bucket, which means your case on verge of execution. So as soon as you hang up this call, today within next couple of hours, your case will be downloaded into the courthouse, and the Federal Sheriff Department will generate a warrant ID on your name and send a police officer to arrest you for defrauding the IRS. So once you are getting arrested, after that, within next 24 working hours, you will be taken into the courthouse where you need to pay the unpaid amount of $3,786, along with the penalty charge of $9,300. And if you fail to pay those amount in the courthouse, then you will be into the custody for the next 180 days of time, as per the subsidiary law chapter 98 under section for defrauding the economic of federal government of the United States. So I need to take your statement in this recorded line that what are your fear intentions? Do you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse without going legally? Or do you want to fight this case legally inside the courthouse by hiring a criminal attorney?
Sir, I don't know. I have my taxes professionally filed. I am an honest person. I do not understand exactly what's going on or what I have done wrong. I mean, I have, my taxes filed professionally for me. I give them the information. I do not understand what's going on here. I want to do whatever I need to do.
Slow down. Slow down, sir.
I'm sorry. I'm having a panic attack. I don't know. I haven't done anything wrong.
So you don't have to be worried about it, okay? But first of all, I would like to inform you that if you are filing your taxes to any other third party, like your accountant, CPA, taxman, or regional block, then it's none of the IRS concern, because if they make any mistake in filing your taxes, then you will be the responsible person to take care of the situation right now. And this case is under your name right now, so you are the responsible person to take care of the situation.
Okay.
So I need to take your...
What do you need,
sir? Sir, we call you in your last hours because we are trying to help you out from the situation. So first of all, I have to take your statement whether you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse or you want to fight this case legally inside the courthouse.
I want to resolve this matter, but I don't know what step to take at this moment because I don't understand what has happened because I haven't done anything wrong. I'm not a criminal,
sir,
and I have not forged information on anything ever.
Yes, so we know that you are not a criminal.
You call me a criminal?
As we can see in our system.
I'm sorry.
As we can see in our system that you are a genuine taxpayer and you don't have any criminal background with the IRS before. That's the reason we are giving you a call to help you out from this situation.
Whatever I need to do, I'll do. But I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, sir. So to resolve this matter outside the courthouse, you have to come up with the unpaid amount, which you still owe to the IRS to cancel your arrest warrant today itself.
Sir, I don't have any money right now. If you do my bank account, you know that I only have a couple $100 in there. I am currently on assistance. I am unemployed.
So today is your last resolvement day, as I told you. Okay, so...
So I should contact my local police office?
Sir, you are right now under investigation, okay? To resolve this matter, you have to keep this confidential. You don't have... You are not allowed to hang up this call.
No,
you
sir,
are not allowed to hang up this call, and you are not allowed to talk with any other person regarding this matter because you are under investigation and
yes,
if you want to resolve this matter.
I understand what you're saying, sir. I am recording this call as we speak. I have a automatic call recorder, so all of this is being recorded on my end as well. But what I'm telling you is I do not know what answer you are wanting from me. Do I need to contact my local police department?
Sir, my job is to inform you about your legal case, and
yes,
that's what I'm doing right now.
Yes, sir. So I should contact my lawyer?
You can. If you contact your lawyer, that means you want to resolve. That means you want to fight this case legally inside the courthouse.
Because I mean, the thing is I had my taxes filed legally. So I had them professionally filed. And I have all my information, and I have never said anything that was not true about anything about myself or my taxes. So that's where I stand at, sir.
If you think that there's nothing wrong with your taxes, then you can hire an attorney for yourself.
I cannot say whether there is or not, because I did not personally file my taxes. I had them professionally filed for me from Jackson and Hewitt, is what I'm telling you, sir.
So listen to me. If you think that there's nothing wrong with your taxes, then you can hire an attorney for yourself. Come down to the federal courthouse and fight your right with your attorney. Make sure your attorney should be the criminal attorney who can challenge the government inside the courthouse. And if you lose the case inside the courthouse, you will face 5 years of imprisonment with no early parole, along with the penalty fine up to $25,000.
I'm sorry, sir. Earlier in your statement, you said 180 days.
Yes, sir.
So you're confusing me. Just what is it that you want from me right now, today?
Sir, this is a recorded line, as I told you, and I want to take your final statement in this recorded line, whether you want to resolve or you want to fight this case.
I cannot give you an answer on that, sir.
Okay, sir, just fight this case legally inside the courthouse then.
No, sir. I would like to resolve this outside of the courthouse, but I cannot give you an answer. I do not know what it is you want from me. You have not stated what you would like from me today.
So if you really want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse, then you have to come up with an unpaid amount, which you still owe to the IRS to cancel your arrest warrant today itself.
Okay, let's say hypothetically I have that cash in hand. Who would I pay that to?
If you really want to resolve, then I'll transfer your call to our senior officer who is handling your case, and he'll guide you how to resolve this matter.
Maybe I should speak to the senior officer. That would be fine.
Okay, sir. Just hold the line while I transfer your call.
The line has been transferred to the senior officer, Paul Jordan. I believe I'm speaking with.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing okay.
All right.
Other than
officer.
Yes, sir. Other than exactly what's going on here, I don't understand. I had a hard time understanding his English. Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you a short brief about a case, wherein this is not my job, but still, I will go ahead and do that for you, as I checked out your past records and I found out you're a genuine person, like you've never been into any kind of criminal activity. So I'm not going to take you as a defaulter. I'm not going to take you as a criminal. I'm going to actually go ahead and just treat you as a genuine person. I will expect your cooperation and honesty, as this is a federally recorded line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, as per the documents, we conducted an audit on your taxes filed for the year 2011.
Sir.
Go ahead.
Sir.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, sir. I also need to confirm your identity. Could you please give me my social security number?
Sorry.
Could you please repeat the last four? Yes.
No,
I'm sorry, sir. You understand? If you understand that in America here, that there are a lot of scams that go on like this, and they ask people to settle outside of court. Sir.
Today,
I'm sorry, sir.
Activities are going on. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That today a lot of fraudulent activities are going on in our country. All right. I want you to listen to the instructions first very carefully.
I mean, first of all, the first person I spoke to was an American. You're not American. May I please speak to somebody that's American?
All right. So in that case, I'm the one who's executing your case.
I'm sorry. Yes, sir. I understand. May I please speak to your superior? Is he American?
Okay. Just wait. Just be connected.
You've been connected to the Accounts Department officer, Mike J. Anderson, with the batch ID number 110430-1924. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Mike Anderson with the accounting team. Batch ID number 110430-192 for how may I help you?
I'd like to have my social security to confirm your identity that you are the IRS, please. Hello?
Eric, give me a quick moment. Can I have your first name and the last name?
First name is...
Alright, how may I help you, sir, now?
Yes, I need to verify that this is the IRS by a confirmation of my social security number. Last 4 digits would suffice.
What that means, this is the IRS, what that statement means.
It means that the IRS tracks everybody. I'm American. I have a social security number. That is my identity to the IRS. To know that you are the IRS, I need you to confirm that you're the IRS by knowing my social security number, please.
I can't give you that. I can verify your mailing address and your
Well, I'm sorry,
address.
sir, but the IRS can confirm being me by Social Security. You know what Social Security number is, correct? It is the first form of it's the first form of document given to a human being that is born within the United States. So that is my identity with the Internal Revenue Service within the United States of America. If you are the Internal Revenue Service, you can confirm that by providing me my Social Security number.